In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter credit card charges, reconcile them, and apply partial payments in QuickBooks Desktop. We'll go through the full workflow in a simple, practical way, so you can record your activity accurately and keep your balances up to date. The goal here is to make sure your credit card charges are entered correctly, your statement is reconciled properly, and any payment you make, including a partial payment, is posted to the right place. To begin, open the banking menu from the top toolbar and select Enter Credit Card Charges. In this window, choose the correct credit card from the credit card drop-down menu. This is important if you manage more than one card in QuickBooks because each card should be tracked separately. Next, select whether the transaction is a purchase or charge, or a refund or credit, depending on what appears on your statement. After that, pick the vendor in the Purchased From field. Then enter the transaction date and the amount. You'll also want to assign the proper expense or item categories so the charge is recorded in the right area of your books. Taking a moment to categorize charges correctly will make your reporting much cleaner later on. Once everything looks right, click Save and Close. Next, let's reconcile the credit card account. Go back to the banking menu and select Reconcile. From the drop-down menu, choose your credit card account. Enter the statement date, the ending balance, and any finance charges shown on your statement. These details should match the credit card statement exactly, since reconciliation is all about confirming that QuickBooks agrees with the card issuer's records. Now check off the transactions that match your credit card statement one by one. As you do this, keep an eye on the difference shown in the reconciliation window. Your objective is to continue matching transactions until that difference reaches zero. When everything matches and the difference is zero, click Reconcile Now to complete the process. Finally, if you only paid part of the balance, you'll need to record that partial payment correctly. Open banking and then write checks, or go to vendors and choose pay bills if you usually bill the statement first. Set the bank account the payment came from and choose the credit card company or vendor as the payee. Under the Expenses tab, select your credit card liability account. Then enter the exact partial payment amount that left your bank account. This ensures the payment reduces the credit card balance without creating confusion in your records. When finished, click Save and Close. And that's how to enter credit card charges, reconcile the account, and apply partial payments in QuickBooks Desktop.